Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today's video is all about the Vossen upgrade that we've carried out on the Range Rover Vogue. As you can see here, guys, this looks absolutely mint. The vehicle came in with 22-inch alloys from stock, however wanted a little bit extra, and this is exactly that. These have moved over to the 24-inch Vossen HF2, finished in a perfect gloss black with the Vossen tires. These tires I just want to focus on for a second because these tires are absolutely amazing. The drive that you get, even going from a 22 to a 24, is absolutely incredible, and that is mostly down to these tires. They are absolutely, the quality of them is absolutely exceptional, and we'll actually leave a link in the description below if you want to check out their website, guys. But if you're interested in tires, definitely look at this brand because it is absolutely phenomenal what they have achieved with this configuration. Going to a 24-inch tire here, or 24-inch alloy, the tire itself, you would expect to have massive amount of road noise, but also you'd expect it to actually kind of ruin the ride of the vehicle, but it doesn't do that at all. It is absolutely phenomenal what these have achieved. I'm really happy with the final results of these. You've got 4 new tires all the way around, all that same brand, so they're all matching and all inch perfect. Then you've got the beautiful Vossen HF2 complementing the entire vehicle. I mean, it looks sublime. I'm so happy with the final results of the vehicle. It looks, and the stance it gives going from that 22 to a 24 is over the moon. So we also have lots of different other options, different colors, different styles available on our website, guys, so make sure you go check out the website. If there's nothing on there that you can't find that kind of suits you or what you're after, head over to the main Vossen website and you can actually choose your alloy there. Just drop us an email with exactly what you're after and we are more than happy to go through everything in a bit more detail and get your car looking as good as this one does. So thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.
Thank you.